Introducing the new VESTA Kit, the VESTA 280. Inside the kit, the first thing you will find is the IP Ethernet 4G central station. The home security center with 320 zones via radio, 240 users, 8 partitions, amplified fast connection for external GPRS antenna, prepared to support high-capacity external battery for installations without power supply. It also includes a corner bracket for the PIRCAM detector. At the bottom of the kit we find the quick installation guide for the different devices. We highlight that in this VESTA kit all the devices come already linked to make the installation faster. A PIRCAM detector via radio with anti-masking with Grade 2 certification. A Grade 2 certified magnetic contact via radio. And a two-way radio control with 4 buttons with Grade 2 certification. It has confirmation of the armed status with a colored LED. There is a mini USB quick connector for connecting an external Grade 2 organic battery and a mains cable. Finally, the 12 volts 1 amp power supply with adapter.